In this tutorial we are going to use Visual Studio. Here we have a simple project that have HTML and CSS file. So let's take a look at the color problem. We can see that the actual page is displayed that has couple of elements, header on top, footer on bottom and 3 square boxes in the center of the page. On that page we notice there are some repeating colors. The header and the footer both are black. Our headings are also black. This may be thematically a color that you are going to reuse to your application. This is an important concept. Most websites have a handful of colors they are going to use. Unless you are designing something like Reddit where the color doesn't matter. You might have 40 or 50 dozen different colors on a single page. You are going to want to make something appealing in this kind of a handful, whether it's 3, 4, 6, something that's almost 9 colors that are associated with your application. More importantly, we would like to be able to take this color that we are using here and reuse it, so when we change the color once, we don't have to do copy and replace everywhere. So let's say I wanted to change black as part of our theme here. I would have to actually do search for a place for black and then replace it with blue. Now, if we run it again, then everything that used to be black is now blue. It will be really nice that if we should be able to define those palette colors and use them over and over again. And this doesn't just relate to colors, it really relate to be able to have things like standard weight, standard font size, even standard font name in a reusable sense. The colors are about the easiest way to see this, and so it's a nice way to show it to begin with. Now I undone all. We are going to back to the basic black everywhere because we have the same shade colors in the same case. You can see down here, if you look, that we also have the color gray in square boxes. In this case, in the navigation element of the header, but we also are using it in a couple of different places like the footer. Again, we like to be overuse these elements in the same way. Hard coding font size, hard coding font family, we like to be able to do these in a small number of places again. So as we decide to change the font name or the font size, that we can just have it propagate through our CSS.